Welcome to Data Land, a magical video game world where everything is stored in buckets. In this land, every adventurer learns how to use buckets to hold different types of treasures. These buckets are called primitive data types, and each one is special in the way it stores things. Ready to play? Let's jump in. Level 1, Bucket Basics. Imagine you are in a huge warehouse filled with buckets. Each bucket can hold different kinds of goodies, numbers, letters, or true or false answers. Your quest is to find out which bucket is best for each type of treasure. Level 2, the number buckets. First up, the number buckets. These come in different sizes. Tiny buckets, called byte or short, they hold small numbers, just like a baby bucket can carry a few marbles. Medium buckets, called int, they can carry many more marbles, perfect for counting points in your game. Giant buckets, called long, big enough to hold so many marbles, you could count everyone in the city. But wait, not all numbers are whole. Some are squiggly and have pieces, like 3.14 or 7.5. That's when you use the floating buckets. Floating buckets, called float or double, these hold numbers with decimal points, like carrying water in a bucket instead of marbles. Level 3, the letter bucket. Sometimes, you have to store letters or single characters, like the first letter of your name. For that, there's a super special bucket. Character bucket, called char, it's just the right size to hold one letter, number, or even a symbol, like a charm on your adventurer's bracelet. Level 4, the true or false bucket. Imagine you step on a magic tile. Is it a trap? Yes or no? For questions like these, there's a tiniest bucket of all. True or false bucket, called Boolean, it can only store either yes, true, or no or false, great for deciding if you pass or fail a challenge in your game. Level 5, choosing the right bucket. Each adventure asks you to pick the best bucket for the job. If you try to fit too much into a tiny bucket, things spill over. If you use a giant bucket for a little treasure, you waste space. Clever players always match their treasures to the right bucket. Level 6, Bucket Rules. Every bucket in Data Land has rules. You cannot put a letter into a number bucket, it just won't fit. You can't pour squiggly water numbers into a whole number bucket without losing water. Each bucket remembers its size. A floating bucket remembers numbers with lots of after the dot digits, while byte buckets remember only small numbers. Level 7, Bucket Comparison Challenge. Let's play. You find 3 treasures. What buckets do you pick to store each of treasures? 1. You scored 50 points. 2. You find a gold coin with the letter G. 3. You step on a trap tile, and it flashes yes. Happy playing with code.